Hey guys, how we doing today? I'm just here to show you how to create a website, even if you've never created one before. This is really for beginners. It's super simple. We're going to do it in 3 steps, and I'm going to try and do it in 5 minutes or less. So here we go. So if you just go to my site, hostippa.com. It's hostippa.com. And I'll have this little video up here on the top when I'm done with it, but for right now, if you go there and just hit start creating a website, it's going to bring you to Bluehost. The reason why I chose Bluehost is because I just, going through GoDaddy and a lot of other hosting companies, this one just seems to be the easiest for right now. It's super simple. So anyway, you click Get Started Now, and it's going to bring you to select your plan. I would recommend just doing the starter plan. You can always upgrade if you need to later. So we're just going to click here for select. And right now it's going to ask you, do you have a domain or do you not, and do you want one? The cool thing is it's included into your package. As we saw before, I'll actually go back here. One of the perks of getting, or going with Bluehost is that you do get an included domain. So if you don't have one, this definitely works out. So anyway, let's go back, hit select. Let's just pick any name. Creating websites is easy. See if that's available. Probably isn't, but give it a shot. And again, it's really, really easy to do. Oh, see, the domain you have requested is it's available. All right. So anyway, you're just gonna create your own profile. I don't have to go over that, and then obviously your credit card information, submit. One thing I do want to go over though is these options right here, and this is what I was saying before too. You could always upgrade from here also, but anyway, we'll stay with the starter. So your domain is included. Your domain privacy protection, it's not a bad idea, especially if you're doing a business and, you just want to keep some things private, and you don't want people spamming you. They'll just get your domain. The email that you put up here is basically what this is saying. And once you fill this out, if you don't have this on, if you have it off, then your email, people will be able to find who the domain is registered to, and most likely you'll be contacted. It's not bad, a few people here and there, you just gotta watch out for the spam. So again, that's an option. I like to keep it on, but it's really up to you. Site Backup Pro, again, I think this is one of those things that it's a nice security to have, but you don't have to have it, but I recommend it. Search Engine Jumpstart, again, if you're just starting out, it's not a bad idea to have. It basically is just going to boost your SEO or your, kind of jumpstart your search engine optimization when starting a website so people can find you. Site lock security, again, it's one of those things that, you can click more information on to know and understand, but it's just a little bit more protection. So again, those options are up to you. I'm going to stop it here, and then I'll pick up on how to create a website after you guys are done. Alright guys, now that you've completed your profile and you have your domain, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install WordPress and get started with your site. So I'm going to click this install button. And this module is going to pop up again. And there's our domain right here. And this is just a subdomain that's created. It's kind of mandatory. But anyway, you're just going to want to hit the domain that you want. Creating websites is easy.com. And it's going to ask you if you want to do a subdirectory. You don't really need to do that. So we're just going to hit submit here. And here it is. And then you're just going to want to hit configure your password. This is all your information. You're probably going to want to, save this. This is your login, right, to get to your WordPress. But it's that simple. WordPress is installed. So you just configure your password, whatever you want, and you just hit complete setup. have now you have a website, and you would just go to. All right, guys. Now that you've successfully installed WordPress into your site, and if you click that link or you typed in your domain, it's going to bring you. Bluehost automatically puts up this website's coming soon page. It's just part of their process, and it's pretty helpful actually. So the next step is to, now that you've done that successfully, what you're going to want to do is click this button right here, which is admin login. And then you can also get to this by doing your domain .com/wp-admin. And that'll bring you to a page that will look like this. And here's where you're going to fill in the information that we filled out before. Your username and your password. I'm just going to stop it here for a brief second and then log in and show you guys how to do that. Alright guys, now that you've logged in, you've used your user and password information, you've successfully logged into WordPress. This is the back end of your site. If you ever want to take a look at see what your site is, you can just click here to view your site. And this is the standard format that WordPress does when you install it. It's just hello world, and you can go in the back end here and hit back to dashboard. And this is where you're going to control everything. But yeah, you've successfully created a website, and congratulations. And now it's time to design. And design is pretty straightforward. I'll have other videos here, but this was just really to get you up and running. And then you can design the site however you want. And like I said, I'll leave some videos at the bottom. Some will be mine. Some are that I just found online that are really good. But yeah, good luck out there, and hope you enjoyed the video.